Welcome to the Wizard Factory YouTube channel, where together we discover deeper understanding of the universe through ourselves. If you're a truth seeker looking for practical spiritual wisdom from beyond the veil, if you're craving clarity in a world of confusion and ready to take responsibility for your path, you're in the right place. This channel focuses on teaching the foundational spiritual tools and concepts needed to perceive, navigate, and create reality through the study and application of psychology and cosmic law, bridging the inner and outer worlds of the universe. Our mission is to empower, inspire, and encourage others to heal and transform themselves and the world by aligning our minds, hearts, will, and actions with the objective principles of true morality, personal sovereignty, and the immutable laws of nature. And ultimately, we want to assist our human family to remember the tribe by connecting with each other and our ancestors in the spirit of community, cooperation, and shared purpose. Join us every week for rich, insightful videos and engaging interviews with prolific thinkers as we explore a diverse range of topics: paganism and magic, the occult, runes, esoteric psychology, natural law, mind control, personal empowerment, freedom, health and healing, and much more. This content is offered freely to those who are ready to unlock the full potential of their personal power, creativity, and alignment with truth. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and follow the audio podcast on all major platforms. And follow us on social media for bite-sized daily doses of spiritual wisdom. To learn more about our mission, products, services, and community, visit us at thewizardfactory.com. Your journey brought you here for a reason. Let's walk this path together. Welcome to the tribe.